Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is we're going to show you how we take the drop this motor right through the bottom of this car without removing the front of this car. So in the previous video we showed you we had already disconnected everything. So we came this morning, so we actually just released the 4 bolts. So now we'll lift the body of the car right over the motor. So you'll see that we build a platform. So we leave the motor right on the platform and we take the body in the air, guys. Stay tuned for the process, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, guys. Share the videos, guys. Tell a friend about the channel, guys. Stay tuned. So we're just checking to make sure that there's nothing hanging up on the body. So guys, so as you can see, we lift the body right over the motor. So we got the whole motor in the front. We didn't have to trouble the body out of itself. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna start to break this down. And then this subframe that's rusted, we'll take and we put it back into the parts car so we can have that rollable so that it can get out of the shop. And then we'll put the good suspension right back on here on this restoration, guys. So pretty much when that's done, you'll see that we pretty much got rid of all of the rust that was under there. So stay tuned for the process, guys. So we can actually, get in here to get all these bolts for the caps. Take off the bolts for the shaft. So guys, that's where you put the crank sensor for these cars right now. Wow. On the other VQ motors, the crank sensors actually was underneath. Now they put the crank sensor now on this side, right here by the manifold. So guys, we have a rusted bolt. We have a rusted bolt here, so we have to use our famous spray. Spray it up. Normally it carries a 12 bolt. So that's rusted. So I had to tap on a 11mm socket over it. To bring it off. So you see it's rusted. So you see that's how we check our intake off. Well guys, if this engine was one that I was going to use back, like that one right there, I would make sure cover my intake hose right here. That way nothing don't fall in between here. But because this engine is seized, we just lift that up because we had to get the harness up.